Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to install Unity 3D software to your laptop or to your device. So open the browser and look for Unity Hub. So this is going to take you to the first link. We can follow the first link, unity.com, and you can download the Unity Hub from this given website. So based on your operating system, you can choose the version. If you're using Windows, so follow the first link. If you're using Mac, then use the second link, and if you're using Linux, go for the third link. So I'm using Windows, so I'll be clicking on the downloads for Windows. So this Unity Hub is going to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can just double click on to install the software. Steps are very simple. Just keep clicking next, and if you want to change the location of your software in different drives, you can customize it as per your need. So once the installation is over, then there are a couple of libraries which you guys need to select and download as well. The installation is over and I'm just opening the Unity Hub. So you guys need to create an account on Unity website. So just fill these required fields over here. To create an account, you need to have an email address, the password, the username, and the full name. And there are some tick marks which you can check them based on your needs, based on your understanding. So fill this form, create your account, and then once you have the account, you can log in with your account. So I already created my account, so I'll be logging with my account over here. Accept the license terms and conditions once the installation is over. Once you successfully log into your Unity account, so click on the sign in button in Unity Hub. It will take you to our website. This is very important. You guys need to click on always allow API unity.com to open links. So check this box and click open. So once you are logged in, now we need to install some libraries, some packages required for our Unity 3D games development. So install Unity Editor, or whatever the latest version is available, you guys can install. You can pick anyone. Agree the terms and conditions again, the license, and this is going to install the Unity Editor inside the Unity Hub. This step is going to take some time based on the number of files you have selected to download. So if you go with the default settings, even then it is going to take time because the file size is huge, and based on your internet connection also. So it depends how much time it is going to take to finish this installation. As you can see, I have selected selected, once I was installing this Unity editor, I selected WebGL, WebGL Build Support, Documentation, and Editor Application. These are the default available, you can say, packages which I've selected in order to install. By the way, you can have multiple version as well, you can install, and LTS means long-term support. So Unity will be providing you can say some patches, some updates with that version on weekly or monthly basis. So I'm going to pick this LTS version which provides us the long-term support. Go with the latest version, whatever is available to you. 2022 is the latest version if you see in this screen. So you can pick the latest version for your software actually. But for now I've used 2021.3.18 F1 LTS version, which is in progress, which is being installed to this computer. Okay, the next step is we need to install a script. Software, that scripting software is the Visual Studio here. Again, 2019 is also recommended for this class, but you can switch to the latest version, Visual Studio 2022. And Visual Studio comes with the different versions. I'll be picking up the community edition because this community edition is free of cost, so you don't need to activate the license for this community Visual Studio software. So download the latest version and install it on your PC. So click continue, and it is going to download some necessary files to install the Visual Studio. So this is the window where we can pick what is required to be installed with Visual Studio. If you are interested in future to program in Python, you can pick the Python packages also, Python development packages. but right now it is not required here. Otherwise it is going to increase the file size. Okay, so it's up to you whether you select it or you just ignore it. But the very important thing which is required over here is the Universal Windows Platform Development Environment. This package is required, and the Games Development Unity package is required. So these two packages we are going to install. Okay, and you can see the space also. It is going to consume almost 17.46 GB of space. So make sure you have this sufficient space available in the installation drive. So select these two and click on the install button. So in order to reduce the space, I just untick some of the options, like universal package I just unchecked. So you just need games development with Unity environment, which takes 3.2 GB of space, and it is going to download this much data. So this process is going to take time, so I'm going to pause this video till we finish the installation of Visual Studio. So installation is successful, you can create a new project in Unity Hub, and make sure that 3D option is active, and you can give any name to your project and click on the create button. Once the installation is successful and you created a new project, you will be getting this type of interface over here. Well, that's it, and looking forward to see you in the class. And